people without soul or sympathy. It is a beast apart, and as family, we must tear out its jaw and drive it back into the sea.
My name is Ceres Fauna from Halloween Council. Yo, can we just appreciate?
I think if it's okay though, I might just call it for today. It's a lot of excitement for one day. Ugh. Yeah, I'm okay. Everything okay. Do you ever just feel like the universe is like just telling you today is not your day? I think this might be one of those days. I think I might just go snuggle my snail. Obviously, it's scary for snail for the fire alarm to go off. Sorry about that. For those who watch the VOD, if you're confused, sorry, my fire alarm went off. It's all good, but maybe today is not the day. I have a snail, yes. He says meow. Actually, he doesn't. He doesn't say anything. He says nothing at all. He says purr, purr, purr. I'm gonna go snuggle snail, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.